Hello everyone, welcome to Global Tech. My name is Ravi. In this video, I'm going to discuss about what is automation testing. So, end of this session, you will come to know what is automation testing. So, what is manual testing and what is automation testing? Let's see with one example. For example, this is Facebook homepage. There is one scenario, login and logout. If I want to test this scenario, first I should collect what is username and what is password, right? So this is called test data. So manually means by using some manual efforts, I will open my Facebook homepage. Then I will click on login link. Then I can enter my username and password, then click on login button. So manually I can evaluate user is able to log in or not. How can I evaluate? By seeing some logout link or something. Okay, if logout link is present, then I can say yes, user logged in. So I will click on logout link. Again, I should see my Facebook homepage. So this is the scenario I'm going to test it. So by using some manual efforts, manually I can enter my username and password. No, I will click on login button. I will click on logout link. Again, I will check Facebook homepage got opened or not, launched or not. Everything I need to test manually. So that is called manual testing. Manual testing. Then what is automation testing? By using some third-party tool. If I'm using any tool to test the application, that testing is called automation testing. Mainly, we can divide our testing into two types, functional and non-functional. So functional testing means verifying the external behavior of the application. What is external behavior? While developing the application, the developers are going to develop a lot of functions like, click on login button is clickable. Once user, and after entering username and password, once he clicked on login, it should validate the username and password, then he should log in. Something, some functions they are going to develop. So manually you are verifying that behavior, right? That behavior is called external behavior. That is called functional testing, verifying external behavior of the application. Then what is non-functional testing? Speed of the application, the performance. Under the load conditions, how the system is performing. You need to test under non-functional testing. So again, here you can see manual functional testing and automation functional testing. Again, here manual and automation. So by using some manual efforts, if you are verifying the external behavior, that is called manual. If you are using any tool to test the functionality, those tools you can call it as functional testing tools like UFT, Selenium, other test complete. Lot of tools are available in the market. Then if you are testing performance by using some manual efforts, that is called manual performance testing or manual non-functional testing. If you are using any third-party tool, that is called non-functional testing tools like Load Runner, Silk Performer, Load Complete. Lot of tools are available in the market. So what is the basic thing here? If you are using any tool to test the application, that is called automation testing. So by using some third-party tool, functional testing tools and non-functional testing tools. Then why we need to implement automation? First reason is speed. Manually, if you are verifying any scenario, you need to spend a lot of time, but tool takes very less time. It runs very fast. When you compare with manual testing, it runs very fast. That is the first advantage. Then the second advantage is reliability. The results, whatever the results presented by the tool, most reliable. For example, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 into 9 8 7 8 6 7 4 5. What is the result? If you are doing it manually, you need to spend a lot of time. You should put some effort. Then only you will get the answer, right? Again, while submitting the answer, again you have to make sure, right, is it correct or not. In second scenario, if you are using any calculator, 100% strongly you can believe, yes, this is perfect result, right? You never make sure. So if the tool is giving any result, those results are most reliable. Accuracy, perfect results. Okay, and reusability. What is reusability? For example, in our first example, login and logout scenario, login and logout scenario, Facebook login logout. I want to test this scenario with 100 users. So I will get 100 usernames and 100 passwords. What I have to do now, first I need to test with first user. Again, same scenario with the second user. So keep on testing with different usernames and password. Same scenario, if you are doing it manually, at some point you will get some bore. You feel some bore, right? But tool never feels bore. Under tool, what we are going to do, we are going to develop some script. We are going to record or we are going to write some manually. We are developing some script. For example, take UFT tool. By using UFT tool, you are going to write this script in VB, Visual Basic Language, VB script. If you are using any Selenium tool, then JavaScript. Test complete, either JavaScript or VB script. You can use some language and you are going to write your script. So what I am going to do, I am going to run this script 100 times. It never say no. 100 times, it perfectly follow my instructions and test the application. So that is the main advantage, reusability. Again and again you can use the scripts. Then cost, manual testing. I need to put a lot of efforts and a lot of money to conduct the manual testing. Once I buy the license, I can do 10 members work with the tool. So very cost efficient. Then programmable. For example, I'm giving any scenario, hey, test this. I don't have any control on the particular tester. He will test the application according to his own ideas. If it is program, means tool, I can write in program, hey, test like this, test like this, test like this. It will follow my instructions and test the application. So I have full of control. So that is called programmable. So we are going to save a lot of time, lot of money. The results, whatever the results submitting by producing by the tool, most reliable and accurate results. And you can use the script again and again. Reusability. These are the main advantages of automation. Then what are the main differences between manual testing and automation testing? Manual testing, again and again, if you are testing same application, for example, take regression testing. Regression testing means if there is any code changes in existed application, these code changes may cause bugs. So again and again you need to test same application. You feel bored. If it is tool, the script is going to test it, right? So reusability. Then maintenance, very easy. Okay, the effort, whatever the effort manually you are putting to test the application, you cannot reuse it. Okay, and sometimes In manual testing, we will neglect some test cases, but tool never neglects any step. So that's why we are implementing automation. So what is the main difference between manual and automation? If you are using any manual efforts to test the application, that is called manual testing. If you are using any tool to test the application, that is automation testing. Two types of automation tools are available in the market: functional testing tools and non-functional testing tools. I hope you guys clear with what is manual and what is automation, functional and non-functional testing. Thank you.